Good morning, guys. So today is the last day of general physics class. Let's start our day with a nice breakfast. I do have a separate video for this food trip in the morning with my physicist colleagues. So stay tuned for that. Here we go. So we are, I love milk tea. So they have free. So what is it? So here's mine. Thank you, ma'am.
And then, kapag yung distance ng object is positive, nandun siya sa papunta dito. Pero ito yan. Kasi paano kapag mas malapit na siya sa mas malapit na siya dun sa focal length?
And here are our demo materials for reflection, refraction, mirrors, lenses, even DSLR, periscope, fiber optics, and of course, the wave property of light. And of course, later on, the particle property of light, because light is both particle and wave. Or fringes.
And that is why nagkakaroon tayo ng mga tinatawag na fringe pattern. Okay?
And that's our class for general physics for this semester. Now it's ready for law. And of course, dinner muna. Hello guys, good evening. Eto, another day. Super duper tired. As in, muntika na talaga akong makatulog sa klase sa law. Pero laban lang, lumalaban. As in, pagod na pagod talaga. Nako. Natawag or na-volunteer, I don't know, kanina at wala akong masagot sa recit. Pinaupo na lang ako ng prof. Parang awang-awa siguro yung prof ko talaga. I mean, kitang-kita niya siguro kung gaano ako naghihirap. So, ay nako. Yun, basta kaya pa ng katawan. Hindi lang sumusuko, laban lang. Hopefully next week it will get better because next week is exam week na ng most colleges and faculties sa university. Today, this week, habol-habol sa mga lessons. Today was the last day of class. I mean, last section, last day. We have another demo in physics. And it was really fun. So, ayun. Next week would be better. I hope and I can prepare for law, hopefully. I can prepare better. One more day to survive. Ayun. So, siguro ganun lang muna yung vlog today. Pauwi na ako, gabi na guys. Bye-bye. Cheers.